Well, hey there, and happy Leap Day. To celebrate Leap Day, I'm gonna be making something that I found called frogs. They are these chocolate, peanut butter, no-bake cookies, and they sound amazing. And what better way to celebrate than with some frogs? So grab a pan and let the frog making begin. Add a stick of butter, 2 cups of sugar, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, half a cup of milk. I'm gonna mix this all together and bring it to a rolling boil. Okay, we have ourselves a rolling boil. Let's remove it from the heat. I'm gonna add 2/3 cup of peanut butter to that, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 3 cups of quick oats. Then mix it together. Drop it by the tablespoon onto some wax paper. And you can add on some peanuts, just press them in there, for eyes. Allow them to cool. Leap Day is such a unique thing, celebrating it every 4 years. Well, I gotta say, I think I actually started my channel around the last Leap Day 4 years ago. Another strange thing about Leap Day in my life is I have both a nephew and a niece that were both born on Leap Day. My niece Riley, she's gonna be turning 6 years old right now, really 24. And my nephew William is gonna be turning 5 years old, which is really 20. Shocking how old they are, which means I'm old, and I'm okay with it. Frogs. Well, they look good. They taste amazing. You can't go wrong with chocolate and peanut butter. These frogs are great. They make me want to leap for joy. Did you hear the joke about the frog? It was very riveting.